Hello everyone, welcome to Drawleaper channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to hide app on home screen and app screen in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to app screen. From here tap on three dots, then go to settings. From here scroll down a bit, then go to hide apps on home and app screen. Now from here, if you want to hide any app, just select this app. If I select Messenger and then tap on done, and it's done. Now if you go back on the app screen, now you can see Messenger is hidden from app screen and home screen. Now if you want to unhide Messenger, just go to same settings again. Now from here, to unhide Messenger, just tap on this minus icon, then tap on done, and it's done. Now if you go back app screen again, now you can see Messenger is removed from hidden app list. And that is how you can hide app on home screen and app screen in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.